In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to wrap text around image in Mailchimp. If you want your newsletter to feel more like a polished article, letting your copy flow neatly beside a photo is a simple upgrade. We'll do this right inside the campaign editor, and I'll point out a few helpful checks so your layout reads well on both desktop and mobile. Start by heading to Mailchimp, and once you're in your account, open the campaigns area. Find the draft you're working on and click it to open the builder. From there, choose Edit Design so you're looking at your email layout. The key to wrapping is to place the image inside the same text block as your copy, not in a separate image block. So, grab the paragraph content block and drag it onto your design where you want the text and image section to live. Type your content directly into that paragraph block. Add at least a few sentences so you can clearly see how the wrap will behave. Now place your cursor where you want the image to appear, usually at the start of the first paragraph. Click Insert Image in the formatting toolbar. You can choose something from your library or upload from your computer. Select the image and confirm to insert it into the paragraph. With the image selected, look for the alignment controls in the editor toolbar. Choose left to tuck the image against the left edge and let your text flow on the right, or choose right to mirror that layout. That alignment choice is what creates the wrap effect. If you select center, the image will sit on its own line and the text won't wrap, so stick with left or right for that magazine-style look. If the photo feels too large and squeezes your copy into a narrow column, reduce the image size until the lines read comfortably. Keeping the image moderately sized usually produces the cleanest wrap. Many templates also offer small padding or margin options around images. A bit of breathing room can improve readability if the text feels cramped. Also, lightweight images load faster, so avoid oversized files that can slow down the experience. As you review the section, scan for any lines that look crowded and adjust alignment or size until the paragraph flows naturally. On very narrow screens, the layout may stack, placing the image above the text. That's expected behavior, so choosing a modest image width helps maintain balance across devices. And that's it. You opened campaigns, selected your draft, went into Edit Design, added a paragraph block, typed your text, inserted the image, and aligned it left or right to make the text wrap cleanly. Simple, professional, and ready to send.